Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To honor Mrs. Rizka Zakia as a lecturer in research methodology. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nadia Diaristi with student registration number 17076222065 from Class B Business Education Program. On this occasion, I will present the result of my conceptual framework. The title is The Influence of Interest on Student Decision in Choosing a Business Education Study Program. First of all, I will read the abstract. So the abstract is interest has long been considered an important factor and a significant indicator of student decision in choosing study program at universities. This study aims to examine the effect of interest on student decision in choosing a business education study program. Through a quantitative approach, this study involved a number of students as respondents. The result showed that interest has a significant influence on student decision in choosing a business education study program. The implication of this research is the importance of universities in designing programs that can accommodate student interest so as to increase learning motivation and student success. The keyword is interest, student decision, and business education. Number one is introduction. The world is currently entering Industry 4.0. This industry is characterized by the development of digital, visual, and artificial intelligence or AI systems. To fulfill this, educate and adaptive human resource quality is needed. The problem is that currently the quality of Indonesian human resource has not been able to compete with other countries. There are many efforts made by the government to improve the quality of human resource. One of which is by improving the quality of education in Indonesia. Education is the foundation of every human being and is considered important by all nations. Successful education is education that can have an impact on human research. According to the National Education System Law, education is a conscious effort planned to create a learning atmosphere and learning process so that students actively develop the potential to have religious, spiritual strength, self-control, personality, intelligence, noble character, and skill needed by themselves, the nation, and state. Formal education is a structure and third education path consisting of basic education, secondary education, and higher education. According to law number 12 in 2012, higher education is the level of education after secondary education, which include diploma program, undergraduate program, master program, doctoral program, and professional program, as well as specialist program, organized by universities based on the culture of the Indonesian people. Choosing a study program is one of the most important decisions in student life. Interest is usually the main considerate in making this decision. The business education study program, which is one of the most popular study programs, offer extensive career opportunities in various business sectors. This study aimed to determine the extent to which interest affect student decision in choosing a business education study program. Attribution theory by Fritz Heider describes the cause of the behavior of others or oneself, which are usually caused by interference by internal factor and can also be caused by external factor, according to Carnia in 2015. In accordance with this theory, there are two things that are considered in choosing a study program, namely internal factor and external factor. Internal factors are encouragement from within a person, which includes motivation, talent, and interest, while external factors are encouragement from outside the person, which include parental support, employment prospect, family environment, major when studying at SMK, SMK or MA, and the image of the study program. One of the factors that influence student decision in choosing a study program is interest, according to Suryo Subroto. Defines interest as a tendency as an individual to be interested in an object or to like an object. Student decision is choosing a major are influenced by interest. Research conducted by Sulistyawati in 2017 explained that interest has a positive and significant effect on the decision to choose the desired major. In short, the purpose of this study is to examine issue and concept regarding both variables that can help in building a conceptual framework. In addition, this paper also aimed to discuss the process of building a conceptual framework and exploring the relationship between the influence of interest on studying decision in choosing business education study program. Therefore, this paper is organized as follows. Number one is possible research problem on influence of interest on study decision in choosing a study program will be discussed in this paper. Number two, past literature on the concept of two variable will be presenting in this paper. Past literature on the relationship of influence of interest on student decision in choosing study program will also be presented. And the last one is the construction of the conceptual framework of influence of interest on student decision in choosing study program will also be presented in the study. Okay, next, number two is issue pertaining to interest and study decision. Interest is an important factor that influence student decision in choosing a study program, but it also causes some problem. One of the problem that often occurs is the lack or self-knowledge. Some students do not have enough understanding of their respective interest and talent. This can hinder them in making the right decision, especially their decision to choose a study program at university. Another problem is changing interest. Student interest can change over time, and sometimes they feel trapped in decisions that have been made previously. Influence from friends, family, or social circle can also affect decision. Changing interest can cause feeling of doubt and uncertainty about the future. So the solution they can do is to introspect and gather as much information as possible about the various study program that interest you. Okay, next, number three is interest. Students who want to continue their study to college must think about main thing they have to do, namely choosing a study program according to their wishes. Interest is an important thing that must be considered. Interest is a sense of preference and a sense of interest in a thing or activity without anyone telling you to. The stronger or closer the relationship, the greater the interest, according to Jali in 2009. And according to Suryo Subroto in 1988, defines interest as a tendency within the individual to be interested in an object or to like an object. A student who has an interest in choosing a study program has a different influence depending on the individual himself. There are two factors that influence interest. Number one is internal factor and external factor. Internal factor internal factor number one is personality. The total of innate or hereditary tendencies combined with various influence from the environment and education, which shape an individual physiological condition and affect their attitude toward life. according to Weller in 2005. Number two is campus image, a set of beliefs, ideas, and impressions held by an individual about an object. When related to a campus image can be defined as a positive or negative depiction of the impression someone has about the campus. According to Kotler in 2008, external factor number one is parents, the primary and first educator for their children, as they provide the initial education. Generally, education within the household does not stem from an awareness and understanding born of educational knowledge, but rather because the natural atmosphere and structure provide opportunities to create an educational situation. This educational situation arises from the interaction and reciprocal influence between parents and children, according to Zakia in 212. Number two is friends, individual or similar age and maturity, according to Santrok in 2007. Peers are children with roughly the same level of maturity or age. One of the most important functions of peer group is to provide source of information and comparison about the world outside the family. Through peer group, children receive feedback from their friends about their abilities. Children evaluate their action, determining whether they are better than, equal to, or worse than what their peers do. This kind of assessment is difficult to assess within the family, as siblings are usually older or younger, not of the same age, according to Santrok in 2004. Four is study decision. Decision making can be defined as determining a series of activities to achieve desired result. This means that in determining a decision, someone will determine several activities that will be carried out to achieve the goal. Humans are decision-making creators. Decision maker, determinant of a choice from a number of options. According to Griffin, decision making is basically choosing one alternative from various available alternatives. In making decision, we also experience a process. This decision making process is a step to recognize and define the nature of the decision situation. Identify alternative, choose the best alternative, and put it into practice. Decision making is one of the steps taken in achieving a goal. The goal itself is something that individual want to achieve. The goal is target or target of action. According to G.R. Terry, decision making can be defined as the selection of certain behavioral alternatives from two or more existing alternatives. Meanwhile, according to Dr. Haji Malayu SP Hasibuan, decision making is a process of determining the best decision from a number of alternatives to carry out activities in the future. According to Eisenford in Vandenberg in 2010, decision making is the process of making a choice from a set of alternatives to achieve a desired outcome. This definition contains three key elements. First, decision making involves making a choice from a number of options. Second, decision making is a process that involves more than just the final among alternatives. Third, the desired outcome mentioned in the definition involves the goals or target resulting from the mental activities that the decision maker engage and to reach the final decision. In general, consumer decision making involves the following steps. Number one is identification of need. Consumer perceive the difference between the desired state and the actual situation, which activate the decision-making process. Here, consumer adjust the desire to their gersom state, allowing them to determine what they need. Number two is information search. Consumers seek information stored in the memory, internal search, or gather relevant information from the environment, external search. When taking action, consumer always consider a internal factor, what they have and what they can do. Using relevant external information to strengthen their decision making. Number three is evaluation of alternative. Consumer evaluate option based on expected benefit and narrow down their choice to the selected alternative. To make a decision, consumer usually have several options and determine alternative to maximize the achievement of their goal. Number four is purchase. Consumer obtain the chosen alternative or an acceptable substitute if necessary. Number five, it is outcomes. Consumer assess whether the chosen alternative meets their expectation and need immediately after use. In this case, the consumer has made the decision and can determine the next step to support the decision. So basically, decision making is a process of assessing and selecting from various exciting alternatives and making a choice that is considered the most profitable. If there are two or more alternative choice available, consumer must choose one of these alternatives, which is considered the most profitable. Then choosing one of the exciting alternative is referred to as the decision-making process. Number five is the relationship between interest and study decision. Interest is one of the most significant determining factor in student decision to choose a study program, especially in the field of business education. When someone has a strong interest in a field, they tend to be more motivated, focused, and enthusiastic to learn and develop themselves in that field. According to Jamara, interest is a feeling that is obtained because it is related to something. So, interest in something is a result of learning and tends to support further learning activities. Interest is one of the things that determine a person's success in our field, including in choosing a program of interest. One of the requirements in the process of choosing a program of interest is the student interest in the side program of interest, because in essence, the selection of a program of interest is introduced as an effort to further direct studying based on the interest and academic desire of the student. This hypothesis is based on the selection of a program of interest is not intelligence but a method of studying interest and talent. Is interest as understood and used by people so far can affect the quality of student learning achievement in a particular field of study. A student who is interested in choosing an academic programs of interest will focus more of his attention. Student will study harder and achieve the desired achievement because the concentration of attention is more intensive on the material. The interest that students have clearly differ between one student and another. When students choose a program of interest with the existence of interest, students will feel interested and happy with the lesson. So, two, in the program of interest. The process of selecting a program of interest that is in accordance with the interest of student is expected to be able to improve student learning achievement. Existence of interest, especially the interest in choosing an economic program of interest, is influenced by several factors, namely pleasure, willingness, awareness, and attention. Previous research by Azalia Afriska indicate that interest has a significant impact on student decision. Number 6 is the conceptual framework, interest and student decision. Based on the evidence found in previous studies, it is argued that the factor of interest has a significant influence on student decision in choosing a study program. Therefore, this study proposed the following conceptual framework to explore the relationship between interest and student decision based on an extensive literature review, where interest is determined as the independent variable and student decision as the dependent variable. According to Sugiono, the dependent variable is often referred to as the output variable, criteria, consequent, or bound variable. The dependent variable is a variable that is influenced or becomes a consequence due to the existence of an independent variable. Dependent variable is a variable that influences or causes change and the emergence of the dependent variable. The interest framework is adapted from the research conducted by Rizky, with 5 dimensions as follows: personality, campus image, job prospect, parents, and friends. On the other hand, the structure of student decision is adapted from the research of Afriska, which consists of 5 dimensions, namely asking what is desired, gathering information, determining option, listing pros and cons, and making a decision. A literature review revealed a positive and significant relationship between student interest and their decision in choosing a study program, according to Galib Mukhtar and Hidayat Muhammad. The previous section have provided detailed explanation of the relationship between the dependent and independent variable. Thus, based on the review of previous empirical studies and relevant literature, student interest and their decision in choosing a study program, as mentioned earlier, form the conceptual framework for this study. The conceptual framework presented in this paper illustrate how the relationship among the study variable are connected. The conceptual framework also provides a theoretical guideline for conducting research on the influence of interest on student decision in choosing a study program. Therefore, a conceptual framework is presented in Figure 1, where interest is postulated to contribute to student decision in choosing a study program. So this is Figure 1, a conceptual framework of the influence of interest on student decision in choosing a business education program. It is expected that this endeavor to link this variable will contribute to the originality of this current study, broaden the theoretical perspective, and expand student knowledge in choosing a study program. Research conducted by Sulistiyawati explained that interest has a positive and significant influence on the decision to choose a desired major. So, conclusion is in short, several past literature have shown that there is a potentially significant relationship between the two variables, interest and student decision. Therefore, it is proof that interest influence student decision in choosing a study program at the university. For this reason, it is crucial for universities to pay attention to the problem that drive people behavior. In this case, prospective students so that appro appropriate approach and strategies can be obtained to attract prospective students in choosing the study program offered the public. So this is reference that I use. Okay, thank you for the attention. That enough for me. I apologize if there any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.